Well, here's a simple Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is true. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we need to understand this statement. So this statement can be broken like this: x is less than y, and here this will execute first, and then there's this part like this. So this is how the execution will work. So x is less than y, which is 5 less than 10. This is true. There's and here, and not set means not 0, which is 1, and 1 is true. And here x is equal 5, so 5 is equal 10, which is not true. So this will be false. And this can be written like this: true and true, true and true or false. So true and true or false is true, and true means true. That's why we got true.